Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I've got a little craft haul from DRK Crafts. They are a UK based craft company and I'm on their design team for this year, and for this month they've given us a £30 gift voucher and we could pick whatever we wanted to make some craft projects with. And I can't believe how many things I got for £30. It is such good value. Anything which is still available I'll leave in the description box for the links, but because everything is such good value, things on the website do seem to sell out very fast, so if there is something that you do want, check it out quickly before it's gone. So I've got a mixture of papers over here. I've got some Christmas things, I've got some card blanks, some dies, some tools. So I'm going to start off with the paper things. I also got a foam pack, and these come in different shades of pink, and I'm going to make some embellishments with these because I love doing die cuts with foam. So I like to layer some paper and some foam to make like a dimensional embellishment. So I'm going to use this on my die machine. I got some of this holographic card. This is from the brand Dovecraft and I've had this before and I really like it and I'm running out, so I thought I'd get another pack of that. I love the rainbow shine it gives. And then I just got some black card and I'm going to keep this in my Halloween crafting box because I didn't have any black plain card. I only had glitter card when I was doing my Halloween crafting, so this is definitely going to come in handy for Halloween. And then also got this 12-inch colour pack of paper. It's the pastel edition. You get 48 sheets, the single-sided, and the thickness is 120 GSM. And I haven't had a look at them, so I think we're going to open them now. I think this is the same one which I've got the 6x6 paper pad for, which I got in one of my recent hauls from DRK Crafts. So I think they might be the same colours, but either way I'm still going to have a look through it. So this is like a coral colour. Do you get two of each? Let me see, two of each, yeah. So 48 sheets and 24 colours in total. So you get this coral shade and then a slightly lighter one. It's a really nice gradient that goes down just really like a really tiniest bit. Love that. And this is a nice pink. It's like a rose blush pink. Really nice, like a dusky pink. And then we've got this lighter pink. This one is like a mint green. This is like a sage green. You can see the colour difference. It's just very slight, which I really like, because if you wanted to do like a gradient, you could easily layer them colours up and it's going to be like a really smooth transition of colours. And then the green goes into the blue. Really nice. We've got like a pastel yellow and then a more brighter lemon yellow. And then this one's like caramel sort of colour. And then we've got some purples, some lilac. Oh, there's quite a few different purple shades. All of those different ones. And then lastly, you get some grey tones. These different colours here. So you get a whole mixture of different colours in there. And I think they're really nice colours. It's always nice to have some plain, like base layer colours. So when using all your pattern papers, just some plain solid colours to mix in there. When things are looking a bit overly patterned, you can add your plain colours to even it all out so it matches in perfectly. So I also have got, I'm going to start off with the non-Christmas things and then I'll do all the Christmas things together at the end. So I got this, it's called a paper piercer, And I just use it like as a pokey tool to poke out my die cuts out of the dies, or if I need to like say double-sided tape to pull off the back layer. I always use these and I always misplace them somehow. I don't know how, they always seem to go missing, so I've got a new one for when mine goes missing. I'll have a spare one. I got these card blanks, and these are little tiny cards. They're 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and you get envelopes with them as well. And I follow Cheryl's Patreon, and she recently did a little video making mini cards, and they were so cute and so pretty. So I thought I really want to have a go at doing it. So I've got these cards so I can try out some mini cards. I'm looking forward to that. And then the last non-Christmas item is these dies. These are from the brand First Edition Craft, and these ones are Paris themed. I just thought these were really cute, and these sets are all only £1.99 each, so all of these dies for only £1.99. I thought was a really good offer. So you could use them to make something Paris themed, maybe like a Valentine's Day card, or if someone's going to Paris, live in Paris, you could do that. But you can also use the pieces separately. So this little bike would be really good to make little bike embellishments to go with a lot of the Maggie Home collections which have bikes in. The little rose could be used by itself. You could use these three for Valentine's Day, so you can get a lot of use out of it. You can use the wine bottle and the glass. You could use that on like a wedding card. So lots of different uses. So I thought it was a really good offer, so I got that one. And also got some Christmas die sets, and again these were only £1.99 each, so I thought they were a bargain. So I got this snow globe set, and I think what you do is you cut this one out and then you can layer any of these ones on top, so it's like a little dimensional snow globe. Shows you the different pieces in more detail. So I'm looking forward to making some little snow globes. You also get a magnetic sheet with them as well, so you can store them on the magnetic sheet, which is really good. And then the last two I got, these are like, so with one die, it cuts out the full piece. What I love about it is that it's 6 inches square. Now, I normally always use 6 inches square for my card bases, and normally when you get dies they're much smaller, so they don't fit perfectly. So this is going to be the perfect fit, so I'm really excited. I'm going to play around trying to see if I can like layer different colours behind it, maybe like cutting some pieces off so I can layer different colours on top of it. So this one's a snow globe design with like a little townhouse scene in the centre. And then this one is a postbox scene. Posting the Christmas cards, love it. So I'm really excited to try these out, and I'll do a video showing what I've made or doing a little process of making them. And then I got these Christmas rosettes, and I think these were only around £1, which was so good. So you could use these just like on your cards, on your crafty projects as they are, or you could also decorate them as well. I love rosettes, so got some all ready made because normally I make them myself. So this is now, I've just got some ready to use, and I think these were only around £1 as well, which is such a good price. And then last of all, I got all of these Christmas stamps, and these were only 25p each, which is absolutely crazy and such a good price. These are from the brand Simply Creative, and I'll show you all of the different designs I got. Got this one, Jingle Bells. I recently got some heat embossing things, which I got from this website, DRK Crafts. You'll be able to see them on a previous haul. And now I'm absolutely just loving doing heat embossing, so I'll get different stamps so I can do different designs. I've got this one, which is a little festive door. I'll open it up because there's a sticker over the top of the design. If I can see how to open it. Oh, it's at the top. So this little door, which is so cute. Look really nice on a Christmas card. Got this one, Santa Stop Here. I think this one might be my favourite. Love this one. This one is a Christmas postage stamp. I think this would look so good doing it on your envelope of your Christmas card. So it's as if it's got like a little sparkly heat embossed stamp on there. This one is a cute little penguin. With love at Christmas. This one could go, it will be really good either on the front of your card or inside of your card as well. So you can have a little stamp message in there. And again, the same for this one. You could put this one on the front or inside of your card, saying Happy Christmas. So I'm really excited to use them as well. I love all of the products which I've got and I'm really excited to use them. Definitely keep an eye out on my channel to see what things I'll be making with these great products. What projects I'm going to make with these products. That is a tongue twister and a half. So I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.